Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about the nutrients. Nutrients. So what is nutrient first? So nutrient we need we need food to get energy, and in the food the nutrient is there. Every food contains different type of nutrients. Nutrients is the substance. It is the substance that give us energy. Give us energy to do our daily activities. Daily activities, whatever it may be. Like we are doing different activities like running, walking, dancing, singing, watching, everything. Whatever we do, we need energy. If we have no energy, suppose today we don't eat anything from the morning till the evening. So how do we feel in that case? We feel fatigue. We feel tired. We feel like that we do not do any task, anything. So for everything, for doing every activity, we need energy. And the energy that comes from the food that we eat in our day-to-day life. So what are the types of nutrients? Types of nutrients. Different types of nutrients are there. Like first one is carbohydrates. You must have heard about this nutrient, carbohydrates, then protein. Okay. Then third one is fats, or we also call it lipids. Fats are lipids. Then minerals also needed, and then water and vitamins. Different types of vitamins also needed. You can write this as minerals and water is also essential. If there is no water, then our biological activities will not conduct accordingly. So first of all, what is carbohydrate? The carbohydrate mostly prepared by the plants. We know that because if there is no plant, then maybe we don't exist in this world. Because of plant, we are here in this earth. Because what do we get from plant? We get everything from plant, mostly food. The food prepared by the plant in the photosynthesis process is the carbohydrate. It is the starch that we also call as carbohydrate, one form of carbohydrate, that is starch. The formula of starch is, what is the formula? Say 6 H12O6, glucose. You can simply write starch. 6 H12O6. So different types of carbohydrates are there: glucose, fructose, sucrose. Okay. So this is prepared by the plant, and we are solely dependent on plant for food. And we depend on animals also, but the animals also get their food from the plant. Through the photosynthesis process, they prepare the food, and during the process of photosynthesis, they use carbon dioxide gas and release the oxygen gas, which we take in our respiration. But respiration is same for both plants and animals. Plants also take oxygen for their respiration and release carbon dioxide. This is the same thing. But during photosynthesis process only, they take up the oxygen and release. So they take up carbon dioxide, photosynthesis and release the oxygen. Then what are the foods that contain carbohydrates? So different foods are there like the rice, wheat. You can write here rice, wheat. These are etc. These are the source of carbohydrates. And protein, what do we get from? What do we get protein from? What are the foods that contain protein? Like mostly leguminous plants. What are the leguminous plants? Like moong, gram, also moong gram, green gram, black gram. Okay, moong gram. Then groundnut. Then groundnut. These are contain proteins. And lipids are fat. What is lipid or fat? Like when we gain weight or when we get fat, like mostly in our belly, we get the different structure, belly like structure. That is the fat, deposited fat. Okay, so fat, we get fat from mostly like the mustard and then mustard, groundnut also, mustard, groundnut, which release well. Then coconut. Okay, so the foods from where or the fruit from where we get what? They contain fats or lipids. That food. Okay. Then minerals and water. Water gives a medium for the chemical process, biological process, biochemical process. But minerals, what are the minerals? Calcium ion, potassium ion, calcium ion, sodium ion, potassium ion. These are the minerals. Chlorine ion. Okay. Iron. Then vitamins. What are the vitamins? Different types of vitamins are there. Like vitamin A, B, C, D, E, K. These are the vitamins. And minerals. Also, what is in minerals is iron, here iron, then calcium. Okay, these are needed. These are the most needed minerals, and this is all about nutrients. So this is a very small video. Okay, please like and subscribe this video.